In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post videos on Circle. So step by step, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Circle, so admin account. It's a straightforward start, but a critical one, because without logging in, you won't be able to access the features needed to post your video. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar where you'll find the Spaces button. Click it and you'll see a list of all the spaces you've created or are a part of. This step is important because you need to select the correct space where you want your video to appear. With your chosen space open, you'll want to click Create Post. From there, select Video Post. This is where the magic begins because you're now setting the stage to share your content with your community. Next, you'll need to enter a title for your post. Think carefully about this. Make it engaging and descriptive. Titles are the first thing viewers will see, so you want to make sure it hooks them in right away. Now it's time to upload your video. You have a couple of options here. If your video is saved on your computer, go ahead and select Upload Video. Choose the file you wish to upload and wait for it to complete. Remember, patience is key here, as uploads can vary in speed depending on your file size and internet connection. Alternatively, if your video is hosted elsewhere, like YouTube or Vimeo, you can easily embed it. Just copy the video's URL and paste it in the Embed Video section, then hit Embed. It's a great time-saving option if your video already lives on another platform. Once your video is uploaded or embedded, consider adding a description or any additional files or attachments that could enhance your viewer's experience. This step is optional, but it's a nice touch that can provide context or additional resources for your audience. After you've added your desired elements, don't forget to hit Save or Add to ensure everything is securely in place. Before going live, you'll want to adjust your post access and visibility settings. Scroll down to find these options and decide if you'd like your video to be accessible only to certain members or under a specific plan. This is crucial if your content is intended for a particular audience segment, ensuring the right people have access. Finally, click Publish, and your video will be live in the space you chose. It's always a satisfying moment when your video is out there, ready to engage your community. If you have multiple videos to manage, don't worry. Circle. So allows you to organize them using modules or folders. Just repeat the earlier steps for each video and group them as needed. This method not only keeps your content organized, but also enhances the viewing experience for your audience.